Hi guys, I can finally introduce you my new project. I mean, not new because it was a long-term build, but I finally did it. A plasma cut table. So metal cut achieved it. To make this table, I designed by myself all the parts, started from the chassis by 3D model, and I designed the plates, and I 3D printed, and so once the prototype was done, I cut all the plates and replaced it with new steel plates. To make it work, I used Arduino, um, classic configuration, CNC shield, with classic stepper motor. I needed to shield all the cable because the plasma cutter create a lot of interference in terms of electromagnetic field, and so it's really problematic for the Arduino because it's very weak in this case, and I struggled a lot to figure out which was the problem, but finally I did. I just needed to shield the cable and chassis and ground all the parts. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please comment down below, and goodbye.